Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use this is and that is. TH together sounds like th. This is. This is. That is. That is. This is used to point to an object that is close. When it is close, we say this is. That is used to point to an object that is far. When it is far, we say that is. Have a look at the finger that is pointing to the star. That star is near, so we say this is a star. Have a look at the second star. It is far, so we say that is a star. If I have an orange and it is near to me, I say this is an orange. If it is far, I say that is an orange. If I have this lemon and it is near to me, I say this is a lemon. If it is far, I say that is a lemon. Excellent job with this is and that is. Well done. Goodbye.